All right, today we are fixing a washer by the brand. What are we fixing?
Frigidaire.
Frigidaire. All right, so the symptoms you can receive with this presentation, it's that your washer is not draining, and yeah, thank you, put the light there. Yeah, thank you. So the drain will be compressed because it's leaning only on one spring, and you can even notice the hanging spring right from when you remove the bottom panel, so you will know for sure that's what happened. So when your spring pops, it will be hanging just on one aspect. Okay. Yeah, thank you. You gotta wear a hat. Make sure you're wearing a hat when you're doing the when you're installing the spring. Okay. So also there are two aspects of the spring. One is the bottom, one's the top. The bottom one is more broad, and that's the one hooks to the actual compartment. What I did is I tie it temporarily to the location. That way it's gonna be easier to install it. Okay, so as you can see, how is it positioned? Okay, so it's going that way, so you can just follow the way it's installed on the other side. So okay, so just hook it on the, and then the idea is you would have to pull it up. Probably will require assistance of someone. Honey, you can see that your drain is squished underneath. Then you can just look under and you should be able to see the cause of a problem, which is that your spring suspension is being popped. And what you need to do is, it will require two people to get this done, unless you're a superhero. So you see it like it's hanging here. This is a properly hang suspension spring, versus here I ordered a new one. Don't be overpriced, it's overcharged. It should be no more than $8. Some retailers try to charge you like up to $50 for it, but no, $8 with shipping, it's a fair price for it. Okay, I'll put name of the part in the description. All right, so all you need to do, you can improvise and use the string, a strong string like a rope, to lift it up, secure it in the meantime. But then you will need two people. Someone's have to lift it up from the bottom, another one's gonna hook it up into the fixture. All right, so was successfully mounted on a spring. A few pointers that we discovered along the process: that you will need to remove this securing bracket off before you attempting to insert the spring over there. And yeah, it might require a significant amount of strength and to lift up the canister. Well, the best way is to reach out one hand under here. I'm using right hand on that side, and you're kind of assisting with the left hand. Obviously use your gloves when you do that. Both partners should use gloves and use proper safety measures, because it might result in a quite serious injury if you're not doing it the right way, including losing a digit, arm, foot, you name it. And also another pointer here, there is an additional drain that most likely would be dislodged at the time, so you got to make sure that you connect it into the right location. So that drain just goes in the plastic mount over here, and it's really a foolproof connection. Here has a specific surface cut over there. And that being said, so you can successfully cut the securing rope now, because it doesn't serve any purpose. And I'll give it a test. Alright, so just remember to align the bracket in the proper orientation. The shorter limb goes above, more away from you, and longer limb comes towards you. Alright, so now everything is installed, connected the washer. Let's see what's going on. Alright, we're in business.